Now let's play in chord inversions. So chord inversions is when you change the arrangement of the notes within the chord. So if I play a C major triad by playing the C, E, and G notes at the same time, this is C major triad, and I move the lowest note, which is a C, up one octave, we get a slightly different sounding chord. And this is what we call a C major in first inversion. If I move the note, the lowest note, up one octave again, so I move this E note to the next E here, we get what we call second inversion. That's how we get chord inversions. On the guitar, it works the same way. I can play a C major chord here in open position. If I also play this low E string here, we get a slightly different sounding chord, but it's still a C major chord. The only difference is I'm also playing this low E string here, which changes the arrangement of notes inside the chord. On the guitar, because we have 6 strings and a lot of frets, we can play around a lot with the positioning of chords and the arrangement of notes. You can also play a bar chord shape to play the first inversion of your C chord, which is what we call a C-E chord. You play it like this. That's what we call C-E, which is first inversion of the C chord with the E as the root note. You can invert it further and further when you move the second lowest note. You can basically keep doing this for one less number than your chord. If you have a triad, you can invert the chord 2 times. If you have a chord with 5 notes, you can invert it 4 times. So that's basically how chord inversions work.